Hello guys, good morning, and today I am here to review a campsite that is in Egilstaden. So it is the only campsite in winters which is open, and the facilities over here are really great, but it is a little bit expensive. So with the electricity charges for 2 persons, it was approximately going to 7,900 kronas, which we found a little bit expensive, so we skipped the electricity part, and yet we got a very nice cooking area and dining area where we got a lot of plug-in points to charge our laptops, our cameras, batteries for drones and everything. So this campsite is really good, guys. If you are coming to this side, you should definitely come here because it is a very commercialized campsite. I would say the cooking area is good, the dining area is good. You also have few sofas to just sit and relax. After that, there are 6 to 7 washing machines and dryers available over here. Then the bathrooms are good, clean. Even the restrooms are nice. You can nicely shower over there. Also, the best thing about this campsite is there's a bar, a cafe and a restaurant right beside it. So if you just at night, if you just want to go have dinner over there, or if you want to go and have breakfast over there, you can definitely go. Also, there is vegan options available, which is good for us. There is no water refilling facilities in this area. So that's it, guys. This is all about this campsite. It is a really good campsite. There are stores just approximately there's Netto just at a distance of 500 meters from here. There's Bonus, also a medical store right beside Netto. So all these things are there's N1 petrol pump also nearby. So a lot of facilities are available right beside this campsite. So this is a very good and convenient campsite, and you guys should definitely book if you're coming in this area. So that's it, guys, and thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to our channel Lavi and Veeru.